So today, if you look at the church, yes, how the gifts of the Holy Spirit have been misused. How the gifts have been misused. Oh, just right there, misusing of gifts. How has it been misused? How are the gifts being misused in the church today? How the gifts of the Holy Spirit have been misused in churches today. So, people claiming to have spiritual gifts. You claim you have a spiritual gift, yet you do not show love to others. So you claim to have a spiritual gifts, yet you lack what? Love to others. Love for others. You claim to have a spiritual gifts, yet you don't show love to others. And then people using the gift of prophecy for material gain. If you want to prophesy or you only prophesy for material gain. Gift of prophecy for material gain. People pretending to have the gift of speaking in tongues. Also, people pretend to have the gift of speaking in tongues. There is also giving of false prophecies. People give false prophecies. Giving false prophecies. Those who speak in tongues feel superior.